there you guys are. All right, I'm trying to get, the camera looks crooked. All right, let me get you guys straightened out. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, so I'm filming on Monday evening, and I wanted to tell you guys that Thursday night at midnight, my son, his girlfriend, they are going to go into the hospital. They're going to be admitted because baby Drew will be here Friday. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe it. And I am just so excited. I can't wait. The wait is almost over, you guys. So say a little prayer for Yaya. But first of all, say a prayer for baby Drew, his mommy and daddy, and Yaya as well. Because you guys, I can't believe I'm having another grandchild. So Evan is 19 and this one is a little boy. So my two grandsons are 19 years apart. And then well, not right in the middle, I have two little granddaughters that are 5 and 7. So I have all ages of grandchildren. I'm so blessed. Anyway, you guys, I'm so excited because I have a really cool announcement to make. I have some news. I also am doing a collaboration with a Amazon company. I also have some really cool shoes to show you because who doesn't like the look for less, right? I like the look for less, and I don't know, whatever else comes about in this video. So anyway, you guys, if you're interested to hear what all I have to say and what all I have to show you, stick around. All right, so before I get started and tell you my big news, I want to share with you my bag of the day. Woohoo! It is my Teddy Blake bucket bag in this beautiful caramel color. You guys, I absolutely adore this bag. I also have my rainbow strap, my Coach rainbow strap with all these beautiful colors attached to it. And I think this just gives it such an unusual look and just a beautiful pop. And I don't know, you guys, I love it so much. This is one of my favorite Coach purchases I've ever gotten. So I was gonna tell you guys, they did bring back this rainbow strap. If you don't have it, you need to get it, okay? You can put it on any bag. I mean, absolutely any color. I think it's beautiful on this caramel color. It would be beautiful on black. It would be beautiful on red, pink, blue, white. I mean, just any color at all. I absolutely love this strap. So this is my bag of the day. I'll probably carry this for the next couple of days. I've gotten to where I change my bags out maybe about every couple of days, but sometimes I get hung up in a bag and it's really hard to change out of it. And this is one of those bags because it's so easy. It's so easy to use. All right, I've got some great news, you guys. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So, Portland Leather Good, most of us, especially if you watch this channel, you're well aware of Portland Leather Good, and if you watch Autumn Beckman, because she did turn me on to this company, and I'm super excited. You guys, I am now a Portland Leather Good affiliate. Yes, I have my very own affiliate link, so I'm going to put it down in the description box. Do go to Portland Leather Good. Check out all the beautiful things that they have. I have acquired quite a few items, and I'll tell you the reason why I really wanted to be an affiliate. Not only do I love their bags and I love their accessories and their littles, is that what they call it? Anyway, I need to really get well versed on the colors and the bags and all that, but I do know that I absolutely love Portland Leather Good, so definitely check out my affiliate. So when I was up in Philly, and I really can't remember how the whole thing got started, but Eva had the most fantastic idea, and we were talking about, I think we were talking about her Coach bag. And if you guys remember her video where she had her Coach bag painted, I'm going to link that video below, and I'll also link Dawn and Eva's channels below. Somehow the conversation got started about painting on bags, and Eva said it would be beautiful to paint on Portland Leather Good bags. I think that's how she said it. Please, ladies, remind me exactly how this whole thing came about. And I was so excited, and I was thinking about the Portland Leather Good bags that I had at home, and to me they have quite the bohemian vibe. When she said something about painting on bags, and I've always kind of wanted to do it, and these bags are very affordable, I said, I cannot get home fast enough, you guys. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna order some Portland leather good bags, and I'm gonna start painting. But it's not really that simple because I'm going to do my research and do it right and share them with you guys. And if it's something you're interested in, I will have them for purchase. So I also plan to put them in some of the galleries where my artwork is. That's an exciting new adventure, you guys. So yeah, I felt like if I'm going to do this and I'm going to be buying the littles, you know, the SLGs, the wallets, and all the other pieces, that I should have my own affiliate link. So I'm so excited, you guys, that I'm an official Portland Leather Good affiliate. All right, you guys, I need to calm down. I just watched that little segment. I'm talking 90 miles an hour because with the new baby coming and my new art adventure, I'm just super excited, okay? I can't handle it, you guys. And I also am happy to say that my art business has really blossomed this summer. I have another art class that I've started and some more private lessons. Your girl is pretty busy, you guys. So my art business is really, it has actually over than doubled from last year. I'm so excited, and I'm very thankful that I get to do what I love. And I loved nursing once upon a time, but I also love art so much, and I love handbags. And now, thanks to Eva and her wonderful idea, I get to mesh the two together. So I owe you a free painted bag, Eva. When I get good at it and I'm gonna practice, I'm gonna send you a bag, okay? It's a promise. All right, guys, so let's get into some of these unboxings, and I'll share with you some of the cool things that I have. Oh, wait a minute. I got ahead of myself again. Okay, so I need to show you the beautiful bags that Portland Leather Goods sent me, absolutely free, for becoming an affiliate. The first bag that I chose, so I got to choose, slow down. All right, I got to choose 2 bags. So I chose this beautiful medium-sized crossbody tote. So this is the first one of this kind that I got. It says Portland Leather Good right here. I believe this is the nutmeg. Now, I'm not fluent in Portland Leather Goods yet. All the colors, I'm gonna study up on it, and I'm going to learn all about the colors and the styles. But this is a great size tote. Again, it's one of those north-south totes, and I love a north-south tote. I really do. And so it's plain on the back. It has the adjustable strap here with the keeper. It has really good length straps here for your okay, slow down. It has a really good shoulder strap length here, so it's very, very comfortable, and I think this is a great bag. I also think this would be a really pretty one to paint on, and with this nutmeg color, I think, I don't know, I can picture some beautiful sunflowers on this bag. I think that would be absolutely beautiful. So this is the first bag that they gifted me with, and I absolutely love this tote. It is just so, so pretty. So that's the first one that they gifted me. Of course, I chose them. I got to choose any 2 off the website. Now, the next one, okay, so the next one I chose to keep for myself. And it is this beautiful backpack. It is, I think it's like, you can put a computer in it, like a smaller computer. It has this very large pocket here with the very soft interior lining, and I love the zipper on this, and I wanted just a plain black tote, and I love this gold and this black. It has this little, you know, grab and go, whatever this is, little loop here, and then of course it's adjustable. And this, I put it on my back. It's very flattering. I think this would be a great travel buddy, a great travel backpack. I could also put like art stuff in it. I like to travel with a sketchbook and some pencils and maybe just a small watercolor kit. And I think this would be a great backpack for just about any casual event. And so this one I kept for myself, and I thought I might paint something small, maybe maybe some little ladybugs. I don't really know, you guys. I'm just trying to come up with ideas, but I have quite a few bags in my collection right now that I am trying to plan, you know, what type of painting I'm going to do on each bag. It would be really pretty to just do some kind of a border over the top. I could do something very bohemian. I don't know, there's possibilities are just endless. I'm super excited, but this one, I'm actually gonna keep this one for myself. But I will be sharing with you again, as I said, my new adventure. Ooh, I'm so excited. So it's just, I don't know, I'm just giddy with excitement. What can I say? Something else that okay, I'm just gonna be honest. Remember when we did the collaboration and we did the contest about the bag, and I came in second and Winnie, well, she thinks she won because actually she cheated. Remember all that, you guys? If you've been watching me, you're well aware. I do have some lovely friends, but sometimes some of them have a little shady, you know, they're a little shady sometimes, especially Winnie BLV. She can be a little shady. No, you guys, honestly, I sent her a crown. She's been wearing it, sending pictures. I'm getting tired of it too. But anyway, I ordered these for the contest, okay? These. So yes, they're shoes. So it was supposed to be a look-alike. And they said, no, Yota, it's supposed to be a bag. So then I had to, you know, find something else. But this is what I originally chose for the contest. Let me show you. I'm just going to get them both out at the same time and show you, because I've actually been wanting a pair of these for a while, but I haven't wanted to pay the price. And I found these and I thought, why not try the look for less? Bam. Oh my gosh. Okay. The loafers, the Princetown loafers. Look at them. They even have the little heart. I don't know if real Gucci's do. I can't remember. But I have always wanted a white pair and a black pair. And you guys, these had really good reviews. So I will link these in the description box below. But look how pretty. You have the horse bit here. And I believe they came in several different colors. But I wanted white for the summer. And I just think they're so cute. They're definitely not leather. But the inside is very, very cushy and soft. I got a size 38 and they fit me perfectly. So I normally wear a size 8 and I tried them on and they're a really good fit. And really, I mean, I don't know, would you know the difference? I mean, it would be hard to tell, right? If I just saw somebody in these just walking by, I might think, wow, I love the Princetown loafers. So they're just really a great little loafer, comfortable, and with a lot of cushion, okay? And you guys, I can wear just about any shoe besides maybe a 6-foot platform. So I don't really have foot issues, but it does have some arch support. There's, you know, it raises up right here. There is, you can see it right there. There is some arch support on these shoes. So I am really digging these. These are so bam and so cute. And I did promise you guys that I will show you some of the new clothes that I bought. And I will do a try on. I hate it. I hate doing it, you guys. I'm a little paranoid. But I'm going to do it. And when I do it, I'll try on some of these shoes and some of the bags. And I'll do that probably next week. I'll get that video up within the next week or so. But yeah, so, oh, even the bottoms of them. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Kind of rubbery. And they do kind of feel rubbery. Like, they don't really feel like leather at all, but they feel very malleable. And I put them on my feet already and tried them, and they're very, very comfortable. Okay, so, wow, I have a lot of goodies here sitting here on my desk, and I love these, you guys. So I do want to get an authentic pair of Gucci Princetown. I just do, because I'm that kind of girl, you know. But these do make me very happy. I cannot lie, you guys. They make me really, really happy. I love them. And I might even get another pair, who knows. So anyway, that's all the really cool stuff that I have to show you. And I was going to tell you guys, I have not had time to read the book Spare. I started reading it. It's a yawn fest. It is it's a yawn fest, you guys. It's going to take me forever to get through this book. My life is so busy, but I am going to tell you guys that I have another episode of Yota Talks coming up. I plan to do them like every other week, but that may not work out. Just whenever, you know, at least once a month. So I have written some notes down. I have some things to say about the court battle that Harry's enthralled in right now, you guys. Why can't he just take his millions and millions of dollars and ride off into the sunset and be happy? Okay, Harry, quit complaining. Okay, I really wanted them to succeed. I always loved Harry. Now, not so much, you guys. He's a little brat. He's a spoiled brat. Okay, this isn't Yota Talk. Zip it, Yota. Just zip it for now. Zip it. Okay. That's really all I have to share with you today. Before I get carried away, I'm going to end this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'm going to put Dawn and Eva's channel below, and also Eva's video with the painting. I want you to see that, because that way you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Have you ever been in Louis Vuitton and seen them sitting over there painting on bags? Oh my gosh, I'd love to stand there and watch them, but I kind of feel like they're thinking, I wish she would walk away. But I'm sure a lot of people do it. But anyway, I'm excited about my new adventure. I'm excited about my new grandbaby. I'm just excited, you guys. So anyway, I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in another video on another day. Peace.